Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the naming ceremony of baby gorilla Kwitizina in Rwanda. I'm happy that you are right here watching the video and hearing the naming ceremony Kwitizina of baby gorilla in Rwanda. It is 17 times that Rwanda passed on naming baby gorilla, including this year 2021. Before we go on, I would like to give you a brief history about the one that I call a hero. She was a foreigner but on heart a Rwandan. She was a white but on heart a black like Rwandans. She was rich but on the heart living like poor. She was a woman of high price but paying living like a priceless. She was the friend of Rwandans but also a friend of gorilla. She was a woman but she had lived like a man. It is a sad story that we don't have the one who struggled to the preservation of Rwanda's mountain gorilla. It is because she had passed on. Let's tell to her to rest in peace. She is called Diana Fossey Nyiramacibiri. The Rwandan name Nyiramacibiri that she was later named by Rwandans. This name became to be like a proverb where a young girl who does good, the Rwandans name her Nyiramacibiri. It's for sake of government of Rwanda that welcomed her in the country of Thousand Hills. Let's thank government of Rwanda that welcomed her in the country of Thousand Hills. Let's also thank government of Rwanda and Diana Fossey Nyiramacibiri for preserving Rwanda's mountain gorilla because they did a lot. We now observing the great productivity. We also thank government of Rwanda, especially Excellent President Paul Kagame and Diana Fossey Nyiramacibiri. I wish everybody to come and see mountain gorilla in Rwanda. It's an interesting and happy moment for the one who came in Rwanda and spent his or her time visiting cultural areas like National Museum, Nyungwe National Forest and others, but especially those who are visiting Mountain Gorilla Zone, especially gorilla in Musanze district. Dear Rwandans inside Rwanda and those in diaspora, we have a proverb in Kinyarwanda that says, uwambaye ikirezi ntamenya ko cyera. Let's live like we know a brightness, the shining of God that we have. I had advised to those who make their birthday, let they go there and enjoy, have a funny moment there. Another advice goes to those who were married early to go and visit Mountain Gorilla, have a funny moment there with their happiness, enjoying honeymoon there in Mountain Gorilla. I also advise those who engage in love to tell their lovers to take them to the Mountain Gorilla and visit Gorilla. It is the way that they can have their happiness there. I think that they will have a great moment and happiness there. I also advised the foreigners. The foreigners, I will advise them this. If you are capable of having a flight journey and now you are not booking Rwandair or any other flight that travel to Rwanda, what is the role of your life? So hurry up and come and visit Rwanda. I would like to thank you all. This is the another year to be written in Rwanda's history, but I would like to welcome you in the next year naming ceremony of baby gorilla. Degenerate NCTV, the channel that works hard to give you what you deserve. And I'm Christopher Diana for Singira Machibiri Yubahwe.